What is up YouTube? What's happening? I hope everyone's doing fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am heading to Goa by now. I think you guys are aware about that, but today's product is really unique. I really need a wind deflector, and for that obviously I need a visor. I do have the fly screen, which is by Royal Enfield, which is decent enough for his motorcycle, but I thought I'll hook up the Himalayan visor, which is a little taller, so it will be really good. And for that I have something interesting. So these are the clamps provided by MK Designs literally 6 months before. And yes, I was waiting for obviously cruising on highway and city ride. I don't need the visor much. I love the naked look of this motorcycle. I'm talking about Interceptor 650. However, now that I'm hitting the highway after so many months, and yes, COVID is still around the corner, so I have to be careful before I go to Goa. Also, my luggage is out for Goa, so gonna make a packing video definitely for you guys. My house is actually a big mess. You can see everything is going crazy here, so I have to sort all this. I have very less time. What's up? Today is the next day. Why am I shooting on the next day? I will let you all know, because Adi's bike is come back from ceramic. I want to show you all. This is what I try to capture in my vlogs, as much as fun and motorcycles. So yeah, and also besides that I have to pick some coffee for Rohan so that he can have this coffee which I've got all the way from Delhi. And yes, this is a drip machine, really good coffee. So yesterday I rode a lot, and that's why I did this arrangement. Okay, so the main reason putting the MK Design clamp on this motorcycle along with the Himalayan visor, and this is my final dash setup. So it's drizzling in Mumbai in December. Isn't that awesome? So now we'll quickly talk about this visor. So it's been 6 to 7 days. I'm taking Snowy for a ride in the Rambler tank bag by Baggage King. I love that tank bag because it's so spacious. It's actually more of a tail bag, and Snowy fits pretty well in that. I'm sure you can see the clips. He is my munchkin, and actually he's the one who tested this visor. And you know, I thought that initially when I took him for rides, it was so challenging because his ears and his tongue, everything used to flap a lot. Now also Snowy sits above the visor because he, you know, he's a dog, so he would love to get the air, so he always keeps his head up even if I stuff him inside the tank bag. But that's how dogs are, so I let him enjoy. And the main purpose of the tank bag and the visor is for Snowy. Yes, I gave him daily rides on this motorcycle. He loves it. He actually, now when he sees the tank bag in my hand, he understands we are going for a ride. And I initially thought that Snowy would not like the sound of this bike because it's quite loud. And yes, I will be putting baffles before I head to Goa. So coming back to the visor, yeah, this is gonna be a long vlog, so sorry about it. And yes, who would expect December I will vlog in rains? Anyways, as you can see, the visor is decent till your chest level. Okay, so as you can see, Rohan is sitting and we were just chilling and having coffee. You can see it comes till his chest level. Now I'm sure you guys must be like, obviously the air will pass and hit his helmet. That's definitely gonna happen. That's not the whole purpose of this visor. First of all, MK Design clamp is amazing. It is heavy duty. The way it's designed on the left and right, so the wind actually deflects well. The top lip also helps the air to go up rather than straight coming to my chest. You can test this only on a highway, so do watch my Goa vlogs, which are gonna come soon. In a couple of days I will be riding to Goa on this beast of a machine, staying there I think whole of December till January maybe. I don't know, I mean completely on my mood how much I'm enjoying Goa, but this time I'm gonna explore a lot. I think aesthetically it looks decent on this bike. I thought it would look a little odd, but it's not. In fact, it's making it look more classic. Looks like it's designed for it. And MK Designs, oh my god, the clamps which you've made are so accurate that you will not have any hiccups. 5-minute job, bolts and nuts come with it. You remove the headlight bolts that you need to replace and put a thicker one, which I have done. Then you have 4 more bolts which are Allen key based. You put them on the visor and the visor is good to go. It's literally a 5-minute job. While washing the bike, I just did it in like 5 minutes. But I thought I'll make a dedicated video around it because I'm going to use it and I'm going to let people know as a reviewer that how this product is. Talking about the clamps, they are strong, heavy duty, made of one of the best MS I have ever seen around. So thanks and kudos to that. The visor of Himalayan has never failed when it comes to decent strength. Does not vibrate heavily, as obviously the bike doesn't have vibrations and can take all the bugs and dragonflies and debris, whatever comes till chest level. Now I'm not testing this visor right now, I'm just talking about it because the test will actually happen on highway when I'll be at 120, 130, 140. This has been tested, a lot of riders are using it and they have given me a thumbs up also. So yeah, the visor will help me for putting my gloves. Second biggest thing why I've put this visor is that I can put my SJ cam with a suction mount and it will safely rely on the visor on the back side. Now if my GoPro is gone on my helmet, I can always twist it and take the front shots also if I don't want to wear, because in Goa I'll be wearing a lot of half face helmet. You know, I'll be not carrying this big helmet every time there because it's super duper hot, and that's the reason the footages can come directly from my dash cam, front and rear, whatever I prefer, you know, when I'm talking to you all or something. So the half face scene is sorted and that's the main reason I've got the visor. Third, yes, decent enough to put your gloves on whenever you're hopping off the bike to sip on some water and stuff like that. So I think it's very practical. It's a very decent costed setup. So the visor costed me around 520 rupees or odd, and the clamps, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's around 750, 800 rupees. I'm not too sure. You can check in the link for sure. So I mean, at that price you get a decent setup, looks aesthetically nice. I have my mobile mount. Now talking about the fourth main feature, the mobile mount. If my mobile is gonna be here, my wind visor is gonna actually protect my mobile phone, especially from dust and debris. Not majorly, but at least direct contact. So I think overall this is a practical mod if you are planning to do some tour. Yes, I have heard that there are more products in the market which are bigger and taller screens which can protect me from the wind better, but my whole thing here was not to get a very tall screen and make this into an enduro bike, because this is in the end a roadster or a modern classic, whatever you like to call it. So in a nutshell, stay tuned for my proper review of all these products which I'm gonna do in Goa. Till then, you guys have a safe ride, and yeah, and Snowy is also enjoying this visor. He is loving my motorcycle rides. Nowadays my dog literally begs for me to take him on a motorcycle. I can sense it, and yes, I'm a dog lover, you guys already know. So I think someday I'll motovlog with him, start taking him a bit out. Now he's around 2.5 years old, so he can actually start understanding things. Before he was quite a puppy. And yes, the reason he's so furry is because we didn't trim his hair. Every 3 months we have to trim his hair, otherwise this guy is like a teddy bear. And I know fur looks good on him, but then it's really difficult to maintain, especially living in Mumbai. Mumbai is quite humid. So when you see him shaved, it's in one of my vlogs, he literally is the size of a chihuahua. So don't go on his teddy bear fur. Okay, he's actually from inside very tiny, and that's how it is. So well, this was all about the visor and a bit of fun in this vlog. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel. Hopefully in a couple of days I'll head for Goa and the vlogs will continue, and vlogs should be legit because this time I'm roaming everywhere in Goa. I'm literally there for 15-20 days. Hopefully, let's see how long I'm gonna be there. Bye for now.